Hello boys and girls, let's do some math. So we just finished up our subtraction chapter and now we're moving on to some more addition. Now this is going to get a little bit challenging, so make sure that you're following along and pausing anytime you need to pause, okay? If you ever have any questions, remember I'm always around and you can get me at Zoom when we're on together. Now we are going to be working out of our chapter 3 book, our brand new book. Take a look at how pristine and amazing it looks, because it won't look this nice anymore. We're going to get working into it. We're going to be on page 98, right up here at the top. See these birds here? They're going to help us solve this problem. And then what are we going to do here? Well, we are going to talk about that. So when we're looking at an addition problem, like 5 plus 6, we're looking at this problem right here. Now this is the number 5 and this is a number 6. When they are in an addition problem, they are also known as add-ins. Why are they known as add-ins? Because they're the two numbers that are being added together to create something bigger. So the numbers being added together are called add-ins, okay? And what we're going to do today has a lot to do with them. So let's take a look at this. In your book, you also have some squares over on the side that are kind of mysterious. And we're going to get to that in just a moment. First, we're going to figure this out. 5 plus 6. How can I figure that out? What can I do? Well, we always have our number line. We have our cubes. We also have our dots. So first, we're going to start off with my dots here. I'm going to put 5 dots. And then we're going to put 6 down here for the number 6. And in addition, what I like to do, makes it a little bit easier when I count on, is I'll start with the larger number. That is 6 here. The larger add-in is 6. And I'm going to count on 5. Okay, so I'm going to start at 6 and count on 5. That means I don't have to go back to 0. I already have 6. So watch. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 5 plus 6 equals 11. There we go. So we solved that problem. Now we have this mystery over here. And this mystery is what happens if I change the order of the add-ins. What are you talking about, Mr. T? Well, see how this is 5 plus 6? What if I did this and flipped them in order and put 6 plus 5? What happens to the problem? Does anybody know? I'll tell you what happens when you change the order of the add-ins. Actually, I'll show you. 6 plus 5. Let's find 6. There it is. Now we're adding, so we're going to be getting bigger, right? We're getting bigger. So I'm going to do it the same way we do subtraction. You're not going to count until you make your first landing. So I jump, land, that'll be 1. Okay? So we're going to count on 5. 6 plus 5. So start at 6 and go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What did I get? I got 11. That sounds awfully familiar. Look at that. 5 plus 6 is 11. 6 plus 5 is 11. Now we just changed the order of the add-ins. We didn't change the value. We didn't add anything to 5 or 6 or take anything away from 5 or 6. We just switched the order of the add-ins. When you do that, the answer stays the same. It does not change, because this is 6 plus 5 and this is 5 plus 6. All we're doing is changing the order of the add-ins. That is it. So let's take a look at number 1 on your page, on page 98. And it is a pretty big one. It is 8 plus 9. And then over here, you've got some squares. Oops. There's our mystery for us to figure out. Now 8 plus 9. So we're going to figure this one out first, okay? And then we're going to change the order of the add-ins. So first, 8 plus 9. You know, if only I had some cubes, because we did our dots, but I wanted to show you a different way, and we did the number line also, but I don't know where my cubes might be at all. But whoosh, hey, hello, Mr. T, I found your cubes for you. Super Monkey! Alright, Super Monkey, it is wonderful to see you, and you brought our cubes. You know, these cubes I thought were lost forever because Bigsby Wolf, he's quite fond of eating them. I heard. I'm going to have a talk with Bigsby. He needs a healthier diet, not plastic cubes. That is silly. I'll be off to talk to him. I will be back soon. Boys and girls, have fun with your math. And there he goes, our hero, Super Monkey. He brought our cubes that I thought were eaten, or maybe these are new cubes. I don't know. But back to it. We have 8 plus 9. So cubes, I'm going to get 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I have 8 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here's what 8 plus 9 looks like. That's a lot of cubes. That's a lot of cubes. So I know that these orange ones I have 9. So I'm going to start there. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 17. So 8 plus 9 equals 17. Now, let's change the order of the addends. Let's put 9 first and 8 second. If 8 plus 9 equals 17, what do you think 9 plus 8 equals? Also 17, because it didn't change the value of anything. We just changed the order. That's all. Alright, how about we do one more together, and then I'll let you take off and do all these on your own today. So our next one that we have looks like it's 6 plus 7, right? Number 2, 6 plus 7. Now we're going to figure out what 6 plus 7 is. You know what? Because we got our cubes back, I want to do our cubes again. And maybe we'll double check with our number line. What do you say? So let's get 6 cubes. Can you grab 6 cubes of your own? If you like using cubes, or if you're using dots, use that, or if you're using number line, use that. Here's my 6. 6, and now I need 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's see what 6 plus 7 looks like. 6 plus 7. There it is. So let's count on. You know what? I'm going to start here. I know I just realized that this is 7. Okay, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So with my cubes, 6 plus 7 equals 13. Let's try on our number line. Let me clear our last one up. There we go. 6 plus 7. So we're going to start at 6. We're going to count on 7. Let's do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I got a little squirrely there, but that's alright. What do we end on? 13. So we got 13 cubes, we got 13 on our number line. I think it's safe to say that 6 plus 7 equals 13. So if 6 plus 7 equals 13, what does 7 plus 6 equal? If I change the order of the addends, what does that equal? You got it. 13, because the value didn't change, we just changed the order. Alright, so we are adding in any order right now. We're just switching the order of the addends, finding that when we switch the order of the addends, that the total stays the same. So I'm going to want you to practice starting on, so we did 1 and 2. I want you to do 3, 4, 5, and 6 on page 98, and then turn the page to page 99 and go from 7 all the way to 15. Okay? 7 to 15. There you go. Alright, boys and girls, thank you very much for joining me for math. I will see you soon. Bye-bye.